Okay, let's start by explaining the difference between a comment and a function, let's say. A comment in Python, if you want to write something, you write code in a py file. This here is a py file. It ends in .py. Now in the py file you can write code like this here, print, and then a string, a piece of text, hello world, and then you can run it, and it's gonna display what you typed inside here, because this function tells Python, that Python interpreter, to print on the console hello world. Now in here we can print many things, and we're gonna talk about these in the future. But right now I want to explain to you what a comment is. Comments are pieces of text, and we start with a hashtag or a pound, and then whatever we write here, it won't be used by the interpreter. So when I run the script right now, it will just display hello world. If I place a function inside here, then again it won't run, it's gonna print out hello world only once. Or if I comment this out, then it will not print anything. Okay, now there are multi-line comments as well. If I want to use multi-line comments, I do this here, and they won't be used by the interpreter as well. However, these are used elsewhere. In some particular instances, they're used in docstrings. So if you would have a function here or a class or anything else, you can